Hi, this time I will share a lick tutorial. This lick is the style of Ronthal from Bumblefoot. These licks are formed from a series of arpeggios which consists of A minor, then moving to C major, then B major, and then moving to B flat, and then back to A minor again, from A minor to C major, and then to B, then moving to B flat, and back to A minor again, moving to C major, and then to B major, and move again to B flat, and the end of E minor again. Okay, let's start from the first part, then the second part, and so on. The first part is the A minor arpeggios by plucking down. Actually, the pattern is the same for each arpeggios. Okay, the first part, like this: down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. Second part: down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. First part and second part, like this. And the third part, we have B major. Start from 7th fret of the first string. Down, up, up. Okay, and then move to B flat. We start from 6th fret from first string. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we play together. Okay. Okay, then we go to second part. Okay, start from A minor again. This is same with the first part in the first part, and then move to C major, but in here, down, up, up, and then to B major. Okay, to B flat in here. Okay, so we play together slowly. Sorry. Okay, so we go to third part. Start from A minor in here. The pattern is same: down, up, up, and then we move to C major. C major here. From like this, and then to B major like this. So move to B flat. Okay, now I will play using the backing track that I made.